Welcome to a bike race. Summertime, bike racing time. We're here, State Fairgrounds in Minnesota. People are getting all their numbers on. We're waiting to see if we can do anybody any good. Do we have a loose headset? I think we can hear them out there. Loose cogs, out of true wheels. We're gonna find out later on. We're here at the State Fairgrounds looking for wheels. We got your baby carriage wheels, we got bicycle wheels, we got wheels going slow, and we got wheels going fast. That's fast. The heart of Midwest racing going by on a weeknight. First time around, they're coming. We want to listen for any noises, any creaking, but maybe they're quiet. Let's listen here, see what we get. Oh, nice. Very good. Quiet. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Did you just the sound of the wind? No squeaky pulleys. Smooth pavement, no rattle. So nice set of bikes. Good job, riders. So what we're doing here, we're going to block some gears. They don't want juniors to have the gears, all the wide gears. 1 turn, 2 half turn, 3 half turn. So you're gonna have to max out the RPM, right? Oh, I want that gear, I want that gear. You cannot get that gear. Okay, your knees, they look happy already.
Yeah.
Okay, little buzz.
A little loud.
Nice. That's only if you're coasting, right?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Go get them.
Thank you, Park Tool and Calvin Jones.
We'll see ya. Good luck. Okay, here he is. Here's the guy here. Big, tall drink of water. The only steel bike we've seen all evening in this race in St. Paul. Right there. I hope he's doing great. Okay, so we're going to adjust your headset.
All right.
So let's rotate around and face the camera here. So bounce it for the people at home. Up. Oh, yeah. No. Show us the twist. Show us the, okay, got the twist going on. Grab the brake here, show us the jiggle. Jiggle. Trust us at home. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna loosen these. No, I'm not. You're gonna do that.
Yeah, I can do that.
You're gonna loosen this pinch bolt. Okay, good. Loosen, and they're gonna loosen this side.
Guys, can you back up? We don't want you to be right on the line.
Tighten the adjusting cap just a little bit. Let's go maybe 1/8 of a turn. Okay, now snug us back up again. We're gonna, yep, a 4 and a, that's a 4, that one's a 5. Okay, very nice. Yeah, the other way, the other tighten. Okay, nice. Whoa!
No new bike.
Try the twisty. Oh, now you would have not. Had we done this before, you would have won. Is that right?
Yeah.
Would have won.
I would not have been dropped. So,
Okay,
yeah.
excellent.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the tight headset.
Thank you. Thanks for the help.
Schwinn Voyager in the house with?
Oh, yeah. I'm Tim.
Yeah. So, of everything out there, we look all around these bikes. Exclusively, the only steel bike. Here, we're going to come up with the prize for you, sir.
Okay.
So, but check it out. It's a bike. Look at the height. Low here. He's got that racer posture going on. He, as we say, a tall drink of water. How tall are you?
6'7".
That's
2 meters
nice.
flat. If that's your taste.
Yeah. So, okay, just all the usual down tube shifters, but how much shifting did you do today?
More than I should have.
Well, yeah.
It was a rough one, but got to cross the line.
Yep. So, big rig. Oh, and this is nice. We got our toe clips.
Oh yeah. One day I'll find SPD shoes in Euro 52, but
that's
still
right.
hunting.
Got to have big ones. Nice. Oh, got the commuter schwabbles. Yep.
Yeah, it'll get me where I need to go, wherever that is.
And then every ride is a training ride.
Definitely.
On your Schwinn Voyager.
Oh yeah.
He'll know. This gentleman know. He'll tell us here. Can you tell her the way out?
Where do you want to go?
I think just out. Is it the mechanic's job to guide out the car that got on the course? Of course, if the promoter wants you to, you do what's needed. That's what mechanics do. Do what's needed. So describe just what are they doing or rubbing or what?
They don't have a lot of gripping power.
Right.
And they
Right.
are new pads. I cleaned the rotors. I put on compressionless cable housing and put in new cables.
You have done everything absolutely right. You have reached the limit of what you can do. You're smashing into the wall.
Okay.
No, if you've cleaned your rotors,
Yes.
different compounds can sometimes help.
Okay.
So if these are sintered, go with the resin.
Okay.
All right, so switch that. But
Okay, so maybe
no,
different types.
but clean. If you cleaned it, it's good. You can try purposely burning them in. Called
Okay,
burning.
I tried to do that.
Yeah. So no, I think you've done everything.
All right.
So what you do is save your pennies for
A hydraulic.
hydraulic.
Okay.
Yep. So. Evening's coming to a close, sun's rolling down, it's cool enough, time to put things up. I think we did some people some good. Not that guy, better open up the box and fix those squeaky brakes. We'll catch you next time.